Hey everyone, this is Jessica Dahlcourt for CNET here at CES 2014 in Las Vegas. I've got the ZTE iconic Phablet, and yes, that is actually its name. This has a 5.7-inch display, 720p resolution. That's a little bit lower than we've seen on some other phones of this size, but you probably won't notice too much of a difference in crispness and sharpness unless you're holding two phones side by side, one 1080p HD and this one. Let's talk about the design and build for a little bit. This is a unibody design. That means you're not going to be able to take off the back cover to get to the battery. And yes, this is actually made of real aluminum. So it is really nice looking, a little bit heftier. The aluminum is complemented by some soft touch backing at the top and bottom, probably to make for easier grip. This phone has one feature that I really like that you don't see on a lot of smartphones these days, and that is a dedicated camera button on the side. Very excited to see this here. Speaking of cameras, you've got an 8-megapixel shooter on the back with an LED flash. On the front, you've got a 1-megapixel camera. Of course, the 8-megapixel camera on the rear does capture 1080p HD video. The operating system is Android 4.1 Jelly Bean, so it is a little bit outdated. Being a more mid-range device, you'll find a 1.2 gigahertz Qualcomm Snapdragon 400 processor on here. On the plus side, this is a 4G LTE capable device. One thing that's kind of neat in here is that you can use split screen action, so you can have an app on the top and an app simultaneously running on the bottom. There's no pricing or availability for this phone yet, but it will be coming to the US at some point, so keep your eyes peeled. For more information on the ZTE iconic Phablet, read the full hands-on impression at cnet.com.